Okay, section 3. As it says in the title, we're going to be converting from standard form into the slope-intercept form. So we want to take these equations that look like this and turn them into equations that look like this. So we're going to go through how to do those. Essentially, the ultimate goal is going to be to get y by itself. All of these start with y equals. So that's kind of the key feature of the slope-intercept form, is that we have y equals and then everything else on the other side. So if we have this first equation in standard form, the first thing I would do in order to get y by itself is I'd need to cancel out this x term. So I'm going to subtract 2x on both sides in order to cancel out the 2x that we have on the left. This is going to give me negative 3y equals, because I just bring down this negative 3y. On the other side, we have negative 6 minus 2x. These are not like terms. These are not like terms because one of them has the variable x and one of them does not. So these are not like terms. These are not things that can actually be combined. And so these two things are just going to be brought down as part of the equation. Negative 2x and negative 6. Then we have negative 3y. In order to get the y by itself, I would need to divide by negative 3. And so I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3 to cancel out that negative 3. And this will give me y equals negative 2 divided by negative 3 is 2/3 x, and negative 6 divided by negative 3 is a positive 2, and so I would have plus 2. Y equals 2/3 x plus 2, which is problem D. So far, all of number 1 has been problem D. We'll see if that continues. We have 4x minus y equals 8 for the next one. Again, first thing I would do is subtract 4x to cancel out the 4x that I have. This would give me negative y equals, again, these are not like terms, so negative 4x plus 8. Just kind of bring these two terms down. Then, again, we have something in front of the y, so we're going to need to divide. In this case, what's in front of the y, since it's a negative y, that would be like a negative 1y. So negative 1 is what we're going to be dividing by to cancel out the negative in front of the y. So negative 1y divided by y would give us y. Negative 4x divided by negative 1 would give us a positive 4x. And 8 divided by negative 1 is negative 8. So we get y equals 4x minus 8, and that is problem E. Okay, then we have 5x plus 2y equals 10. Again, first thing we do is I would cancel out the x term, and so I would subtract 5x from both sides to cancel out the 5x we have. And that gives me 2y equals negative 5x plus 10. And then in order to get rid of the number in front of y, we would need to divide. So we'll divide by 2 to cancel out this 2 that we have. And that gives me y equals negative 5 divided by 2 is negative 5 over 2, x, and 10 divided by 2 is a positive 5. We have y equals negative 5 halves x plus 5, which is answer B. All right, finally, last one, we have 3x plus 4y equals negative 12. So once again, we're going to start by subtracting 3x on both sides to cancel out this 3x. That gives me 4y equals negative 3x minus 12. Bringing down these two because they're not like terms. Then I need to divide by 4 to cancel out this 4 in front of the y. And so that would give me y equals negative 3/4 x, and negative 12 divided by negative 12 divided by 4 is negative 3. So we have y equals negative 3/4 x minus 3, and that is answer A.